Hi, I'm Daniel Provorce, a project manager assistant with America's Home Place in Alvin, Texas. Today I want to talk to you about why I love building homes for our customers. You know, our customers, they come through the door, they give us a phone call, and they have this idea in their head of a house, a dream that they want to produce. And our building consultants go through a process with them, and they take that dream and they start to put it on paper. They start to make it a reality. In that process, they get things moving, they get the financing going through, and then I get to build a house, the actual physical reality, the realization of a dream that this customer had. And we've not only taken their dream and put it on paper, now we're physically building it. And so going through that process is very rewarding because we go through each step and you see a roof go onto a house, and now it starts to look like a house. And you see the light in the customer's eyes, and it's beautiful. And there's a lot of satisfaction in that. So that's why I love building homes for our customers. Again, my name's Daniel Provorce. I'm a project manager assistant at America's Home Place in Alvin, Texas.